Like, I'm just shook and speechless right now. Like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on the new NARS Soft Matte Foundation. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I apply it, my thoughts on it, and all of that good stuff, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs this video up, hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this review. So when I heard that NARS was coming out with this foundation, I was super stoked because I fell in love with the concealer that they came out with some years back. I used the shade Monday. I love it because it's medium to full coverage. It really, pretty much for a concealer, just to kind of conceal up under my eyes and any problem, blemishes or anything. So I'm gonna give you guys the benefits of this foundation. So it is the new Take On Matte. It's comfortable 16-hour wear. It's full natural looking coverage, true color, oxidation resistant, transfer proof, and shine proof. So my fave benefits off of me just reading this off of the side of the box is full natural looking coverage. I love medium to full coverage foundations that still gives somewhat of that skin light. My two top faves out of this is transfer proof and shine proof. So the reason that I like transfer proof, I mean, come on, let's just be straight up and honest. At this time right now, you pretty much have to wear a mask everywhere. So, you know, you still want to have your glam going, but you know, you don't want to get all of your makeup on your mask. Like, sis, that's not where it is. And I love that it's also saying that it is shine proof. As you guys can see, I am shiny here. I am combination, so I am oily in my T-zone and I'm dry around the perimeters of my face. So this would be like bomb. So let's go ahead and get into the application. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tie right here up. All right, so I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. All right, next I'm gonna go in with Versailles Skin Tune Blur. Okay, so here is the bottle. This is, I'm in the shade Macao, and let's see, it is 1.5 fluid ounces, which is awesome. You get a lot more than you do in the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. So these are how they look in comparison. I love that the applicator is squeezed too. So let's go ahead and apply it. Okay, so based off of the application, just the foundation alone, finish looks really good. Like, I've never tried a soft matte foundation before, but so far I really like I'm just gonna go ahead and, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal up under my eyes, and I'll be back. All right, so to highlight, I'm going to use the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm using the shade Caramel. Okay, so to add a little bit of definition to my Radiant Creamy Concealers, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of cacao and dark coffee. Okay, so to set where I highlighted, I'm just going to go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder. So let's go ahead and get into the tea of this foundation. So what I will say is I really like this foundation. Like, I really like it. I didn't set anything else other than my under eye highlight. I did not set the other concealers, but I really love the finish of this. Like, this may be second BAE compared to my Sheer Glow. I love how it looks on the skin. It still looks pretty natural. To me, it does. Let me, so you guys can see I think Macao did a absolutely perfect match for me. Like I said in the beginning, it is my foundation shade that I normally wear. This, y'all, like, I'm speechless right now. Like, NARS, don't play with me right now. Like, don't play with me. This, like, now that I know, I already, like I told you guys before, I already love the concealer Match Made in Heaven. Like, so yeah, if you guys are near a Sephora or on the website, make sure you guys check this out. I will recommend this first because the retail price is $40. Go by your local Sephora and get you a sample of this and definitely try it out. I already love NARS, so I knew when I saw they came out with this, I was like, I'm bagging it either way. But I love how this looks. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Y'all, let's be friends. Y'all know y'all want to be friends with your girl. Yes. And until next time, as always, bye guys.